What's going on, guys? Nick here. Today I have an awesome video to show you guys. If you guys follow FT86 Speed Factory on YouTube, you know that they were doing a giveaway for Black Friday through Cyber Monday. If you ordered something, you put your order number in, and they would do a random pick to see who would win either an oil change or a carbon fiber steering wheel. So I ordered something, and I will show you guys at the end of the video what I ordered. And I actually was the one that won the carbon fiber steering wheel, so I'm really excited to show that to you guys today. First off, they sent me a package, and it says, "Congrats, Nick. Enjoy the swag. Happy holidays from Thomas." So, Thomas, thank you so much for packaging this for me and giving me the opportunity to win this steering wheel. They sent me an FT86 Speed Factory lanyard, a keychain that's actually really high quality, FT86 Speed Factory, and a t-shirt that says FT86 Speed Factory on it, and it has this really cool design on the bottom. I like it. So thank you for those. Alright, and this is what everyone's going to want to see. So, going to unbox the steering wheel. I already took the tape off of it, but it's still packaged. So, it was nice. They packed the carbon parts of the steering wheel with foam. That's much appreciated. So, I took the tape off of it already, so I could just take this off. Okay, so this is the steering wheel. It is carbon fiber on the top here with it's got little notches in the back for your fingers. There's a carbon piece here that has a notch for your finger, and there's also one here. And it is red stitched with leather, just like the stock steering wheel, so it gives you a nice OEM look with a little bit of a premium finish with the carbon accents, and it has the flat bottom, and actually the notches for your thumbs to fit in for the 9 and 3 grip are pretty deep, so they fit very nice to the hand. I'm going to be doing an install video with this on the channel, and I'll show you guys how to do it. It does utilize your factory airbag, so the airbag will go here. And there's a factory piece here that's silver. Actually, as soon as they shipped this out to me, I ordered a carbon fiber one that's going to go where the silver one was. So it's going to look a lot nicer. I thought it would look tacky if you left the silver there with all the really nice carbon accents. So that will be here tomorrow, and I should be doing an install video to show you guys what that looks like. But again, thank you so much to FT86 Speed Factory, everyone there. I order a lot of my stuff there for the car, and everything is always shipped on time, packaged nicely, and yeah, it's just really high quality. So now I'll show you guys what I actually ordered for Black Friday. Okay, it's a little heavy. Okay, it is a South Bend Stage 3 daily clutch. I ordered this for two reasons. The main reason was after about 60 to 70,000 miles, the factory throwout bearings like to kill themselves in these cars. So there is a new throwout bearing, and the second part of it is I want to strengthen the car and reinforce kind of in a way for more power, because I now have access to 3 E85 stations that are within a not very far radius from my house, and a stronger clutch will allow me to run flex fuel without having any issues, because the stock clutch is good for like 220 foot-pounds of torque. This is good for 400, so it's kind of overbuilding to the point where I'm not going to have issues if I run E85. I also ordered a Veris forged shift fork, because the extra forces on the stock shift fork from a stronger clutch can cause them to break sometimes, so I ordered this one. It is very heavy and it is forged, so we shouldn't have any issues running this clutch. And I also ordered from Veris as well a billet aluminum pivot for the shift fork, so everything should be nice and reinforced in the car, and I will be able to run E85 and run a little bit more power in the car. So there will be install video of the steering wheel. The clutch I probably won't be able to do myself because I don't have a lift, and I don't feel like doing it in my driveway because it's gravel and terrible. So I will be doing an install video of this once the carbon piece gets here for it. Thank you guys so much for watching this video and sticking around. So I will see you guys in the next video. Take care.